We've just opened the file in Notepad, and let's have a quick look at it in a little bit more depth. So if we look here, as we said, about the column 1 name, column 2 name, column 3 name, and if you had more than that, or the first row or the second row, and so on and so forth. So there's the kind of the header row, if you like, then row, first row of data, second row, and all that. And so looking at it, so there's your header. There's your observations or records, and your kind of your particular rows known as records. And what we've gone on here is note how the data is separated using commas. Comma separated values. Values separated by commas. Now, after that, we need to, once that is ready, it's time to import into our Python program. So we want to know, and this is very important, whatever Python program we create, we must do it in the same folder. Now, otherwise, we'll have to mess around with file paths. So make sure that you save your Python file in the same folder as your CSV file. By default, when importing a file, Python will look for the file in the same location as where the Python script is located. So we're going to open up Thonny, and we're going to save the file as reading_CSV_file. We're going to make sure that we're going to save it in the same folder. If we don't, we'll have to change the file path, and that's just a little bit more tricky. Look, nothing at all major, but I know I prefer to just keep it simple. So open up Thonny, and we're going to say reading save as. We're going to find the place where we're going to save it. So make sure you've got it all together. I've got there are 5th year computer science, Python, file handling, and example 1, analytics example. And in here, if I went to all files now, you would see the CSV file, but I just want to keep it as a Python type file here. So reading_CSV file, reading_CSV file. So maybe I should say dist. No, I'll just say file. Keep it simple. Click save. And you're now ready to rock and roll here with your file reading CSV file. So see you in a moment to start working on that.